In this video, we're going to show you how to remove this the iDrive radio control or navigation control from center console from a Genesis 2016, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and this Phillips screwdriver. The removal is very simple. The first thing you do, make sure you put the car in a neutral position, and then you move the shifter in the neutral, and the next thing you do, you pop up the whole center console. You insert your blue dashboard removal tool to the side of the console. You just pop it up a little bit. You can even grab it with your fingers and pull it up. It's not that hard. You can just pull it up a little bit, and with all of the clips they pop up. And the next thing you do, you remove the boot for the shifter. You just lift it up, and in this step you have to insert the boot into the cavity, so then you can bring up the whole center console upward. And make sure you cover your armrest with a towel or something, because this clips on the side of the console, it might damage the leather. You just lift up the console and then rotate it a little bit, so this boot can just fall into the cavity, and then you can bring the whole console outward. And that was the hardest part. And now in this step, you need to disconnect all the connectors, and then you can remove the whole console, and then you put it on your bench. And you need to if you want to get the control out, you need to use the Phillips screwdriver, so to disassemble it, and then remove the if you want to change the control. And if you need any repair with this central control iDrive, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.